The common house sparrow is one of the most known birds in the world. These adaptable little nuisances have lived alongside humans for centuries. As omnivores, they can make the best of any food situation. As parents, they can make their nests anywhere, especially in human settlements. They even have answers to native species using their same strategy: eviction. House sparrows are well known for killing the chicks of their competitors and forcing them from their nests. This dark side makes them a threat to native species. They don't migrate either. A house sparrow, once established, is here to stay. So what is to be done about these nuisances? These birds are not protected by the Migratory Birds Act, so hunting season is always open on them. Everyone is free to shoot and trap these birds, but if you're more of a non-violent sort, there's an easier way to deter them. Destruction of their nests is enough to send them to a new home or encourage them to constantly rebuild, which leaves native species other areas to fill.